honest, I don't know who bought this.
I think I maybe did. I was like, hey, should I get this? There's a layer of dust on it. He forgot about it.
Sorry. It's limited edition. I didn't want to open it and have it be worth less.
I think it's been selling at Sam's Club for a long time.
This is Berry Perfection with glittery sparkles.
It looks like Fruit Loops, right?
It does, but with little
sprinkles.
See? I've always wondered what cat tastes like, and I've always wondered what unicorn tastes like. You put them together, and what do you got?
Unicorn.
Caticorn.
Caticorn.
There's 2 boxes.
Ooh. So Sam's Club.
Ooh,
oh.
Look.
Who wants
you
to
can color the back.
Who wants to color? It's an owl.
Oh, and cats.
Find more Caticorn coloring pages. There's a website. That's neat.
I wonder if the other box has the same pattern.
Yep.
So disappointing.
Twinners.
Twinsies.
But it's such a cute one. It's like
So
if you have
cute.
twins and they fight over who gets to color it.
Which we do, and which we...
They won't fight over who gets to color. 6 years ago, maybe.
There would have been blood. Alright, so...
I've grown up to be 12 already.
I'm trying to find out what cat tastes like.
Caticorn.
Unicorn. I wonder if it's magical.
And how does she make it? Does it come out of her butt? I'm just saying.
Of course. Everyone knows that.
Ooh. Yeah, it's like Saturday morning sugary cereal.
They're magically delicious.
That's Lucky Charms.
Nothing like that. So, they look... I'm going to find one with some speckles on it. They look like Cheerios, but they've got the little fleck.
But they're bigger than... They look more like Fruit Loops, not Cheerios. Cheerios are thinner, right? They're a little thicker.
I don't eat Cheerios. Eating it dry.
Are you going to eat it dry?
A couple pieces.
Ooh.
You can taste the berry.
I'll eat the dry ones off the top. I feel like
Still
I've
has
had
the same texture as Cheerios.
Fruit Loops. I feel like I've had this before in like a bagged cereal or something. They just put it in a fancy box.
Like malto meal.
Yeah.
These are made by Kellogg's. But
it does taste like a malto meal.
Yeah. The flavor would be like a malto meal flavor, you know, something odd.
You know what I like? They get soft pretty quick in the milk. That's yummy.
I need a little more milk. They're good.
I mean, if I was 7, I would love them.
I'm 7 and I love them. And you can't really taste the glittery sparkles. I think they're just there for looks.
Yeah.
I don't know if they really serve a purpose or not.
From the magical rainbow or Tale of a Caticorn.
But as far as the berry goes, it's subtle. It's not overwhelming. Yeah, texture and everything is similar to Fruit Loops, Cheerios, whatnot. That same type of, you know.
A little bit of a crunch.
Yeah.
I got more milk and no cereal. You had milk, I had cereal.
Must be that good.
Well, I gotta do something with my milk. I haven't eaten cereal and I can't remember how long.
Since our last review.
I never eat cereal.
Since we did the chicken and waffles.
And the kids eat a lot of cereal.
Yeah, I have cereal for breakfast every morning. I do Special K. With wild berries.
I do eggs.
They're wild.
Usually with vegetables.
I do eggs with vegetables sometimes too. So, going back to Caticorn. The only reason it's here is it doesn't taste bad. I mean, it's got the berry flavor, and I don't know about the magical crystal things or whatever. But I think it's your basic cereal, and they nailed it. Tasting like cat, I'm definitely a thumbs down because I can't distinguish the cat flavor.
There's no meat flavoring.
Yeah, and the unicorn, I feel this is false advertising no more than Panda Express. They don't serve Panda, and they're really not that fast. So, fake news. I don't believe it. So,
You're still a 3/4 thumb up, and I think I said that because it's just okay. It's like multi-meal cereal. It's nothing special. It's not bad, but it's not like, wow, that's really good.
I'm not going to race out and buy it again.
A lot of hype, but yeah. So I don't want to give it a full thumbs up. It would have had to been like, wow, this is really good. I could see why, it's in a cute box, and
That's cute box.
I don't know.
It's adorable.
Mm-hmm.
So there you have it. There's our Caticorn cereal review. If you've had it, in the comments below, let us know what you thought. If you really think it tasted like cat or unicorn or Caticorn.
If you've had Caticorn.
We have. It doesn't taste like cats or unicorns.
Cereal.
So with that being said, give us a thumb up because we don't taste like Caticorn either. We're going to be honest with you about that. Subscribe if you haven't already so you can see us more often. And share so your friends can know that Caticorn doesn't really taste like cats or unicorns.
Yeah, it's amazing.
We'll see you later. Bye.